Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. App v2. 1 or later, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and permissions granted. Once those are in place, open Magic Connect and choose Add Device. Enter the device PIN or paste your OAuth token when prompted, then tap Connect. Wait for the LED or status indicator to show pairing. Make sure to stay within 10 meters of the device and avoid heavy RF interference while the initial handshake completes. Once paired, authenticate. Complete two-factor authentication with your authenticator or SMS code so Magic Connect can register the device to your account. After authentication, pick a network profile and decide static IP versus DHCP. Static is best for fixed services, DHCP is fine for quick setups. Configure service permissions, enable remote access if needed, and set retry/backoff options. This step to finish, run the connectivity test to verify end-to-end reachability and confirm services load correctly. Schedule automatic reconnect and firmware update windows to minimize downtime. If you encounter issues, inspect the device logs in diagnostics, then cycle network settings and repair. Often a reset of the device network clears stale configs. If problems persist, remove the device from your account and perform a fresh pairing. This resolves most persistent identity or token mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.